Choosing a snowblower is no longer about wrestling a heavy, fume-spewing gas engine. Here we examine 3 snowblowers which can be used by women.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Voltask 13-inch cordless snowblower. The Voltask 13-inch cordless snowblower is a standout choice for those who need a truly lightweight and easy-to-store machine. Its 13-inch clearing width and compact size make it exceptionally easy to maneuver around tight corners, steps, and smaller driveways, delivering performance without the bulk. This compact cordless snow shovel weighs just 9.3 pounds, offering a lightweight and comfortable user experience. Powered by a strong 24-volt motor and a rechargeable 4.0Ah lithium-ion battery, it can throw snow up to 20 feet and delivers up to 25 minutes of runtime. It clears a 13-inch wide path with a recommended clearing depth of 6.5 inches. Ideal for driveways, steps, patios, decks, sidewalks, and walkways, this electric snow shovel works quietly, making it a great option for households that want to avoid disturbing neighbors during snow removal. On number 2, we have Ouseman cordless snowblower. The Ouseman cordless snowblower differentiates itself by focusing on a high-speed, high-efficiency motor paired with a lightweight body. Driven by a 24V motor running at RPM and powered by 2 3.0Ah batteries, 6Ah combined, this snow shovel can launch snow up to 25 feet, swap batteries as needed for continuous operation, providing up to 60 minutes of total runtime. It's 30% lighter than typical 12-pound shovels, making it easy to lift for clearing stairs, decks, and patios with minimal strain. An excellent choice for seniors and women. Assembly takes just 2 steps, and the push-button start with dual safety switches means no pull cords, gas, or fumes, ready to use within seconds. It removes snow in a 13-inch wide and 6.5-inch deep path per pass, ideal for fresh, powdery snow on driveways, walkways, and steps. Quiet operation allows for early morning use without disturbing neighbors. The ergonomic handle design often ensures comfortable operation for users of various heights, making it a powerful yet accessible tool for clearing mid-sized areas quickly. On number 3, we have Etoolab cordless snowblower. The Etoolab 13-inch cordless snowblower offers a similar focus on compactness and simplified operation as the Voltask, making it an excellent choice for straightforward snow removal tasks. Its narrow 13-inch clearing path is perfectly sized for clearing standard walkways, patios, and decks where space is limited and precision is more important than raw width. These blowers are celebrated for their simple, intuitive controls and quick battery installation, ensuring that anyone can pick up the machine and start clearing snow immediately. The focus on a highly maneuverable design and battery power eliminates all the traditional frustrations of pull cords and heavy frames, making the Etoolab an ideal snow removal solution for users seeking convenience, ease of use, and lightweight. So these are some of the best snowblowers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.